Let's add dark moody edits to a food photograph using the Lightroom app on our phone, and we are starting right now. Ahead I have 3 powerful tips for you which are very important, so watch the video right till the end. Some of the images have been shot by me and some have been shared by my dear friends who are excellent in their food photography. They're the experts, Samira and Revati. Please check their Instagram handles. Alright, now let's begin the editing part on Lightroom. Here's the image. First, we'll go to light, contrast around plus 20. Highlights will pull down to around minus 47. Let's go to shadows, lifting it up to 40 approximately. Okay, we will now go to the whites, pull it up to around plus 20. We go to the blacks, drag it down on the minus side to around 20. Now we'll use the curves. Follow these steps. So this looks more like an S-shaped curve. Drag this a little bit down here and we say done. We go back to the color. Vibrance will pull up to around 35. 34 also is fine. Saturation will get down to around minus 16. Alright, so we are done with the color part. We'll now go to the color mix. Selecting the red color, we will use the saturation and go to minus 10. Luminance minus 13 is also fine. We move to the orange. Hue will get to minus 16. Okay, saturation will come to minus 10, and so will the luminance. Minus 9 also fine. We go to the yellow, get the hue in the minus 20. Saturation will come to minus 10 approximately. Alright, 11 is also fine. Luminance we are not touching here. Green color, we'll go to saturation minus 20. They are not touching the luminous part here. Aqua, we are going to use the luminance and get it to minus 70, pulling it down. So we'll use the blue and get it down a little bit to around minus 21. Say done. Go to FX. We are now in the FX panel. We'll use the clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 35. Vignette minus 10 look good, and that's about it. Before, after. The best part about Lightroom is you can save this as a preset by clicking on the top 3 dots. We'll now create a preset. I'll name this as dark food mood. Say done, and I have saved it here. We have another image and we can simply just apply the preset that we created by going to the presets, scroll down and look for the one which you have created in the user presets. Go to dark mode, tap on it, say OK, and it has been applied to this image as well. One thing you have to keep in mind that when you're applying a preset to other images, you have to fine tune them accordingly to their lighting conditions and other parameters. to make them look good, because a preset is just the starting point to make the image look good. Let me show you one simple setup that you too can do at home and create a nice, beautiful looking food photograph and apply those moody effects to it and make it look really cool. It's now time for the 3 powerful tips. The first one, not all food photographs look good with a dark mode edits. Second one, if there is too much of white element in your photo, the dark mood will never stand out. The third one, ensure that you're already shooting with a little bit of dark mood to your photograph, because when you edit and apply those dark moody effects, it will definitely stand out. I have 2 more videos to help you in your photography journey on food photography. Bye.